The Wuhan coronavirus has hit East Turkestan, where China has arbitrarily detained at least 3 million Uyghur Muslims. Its filthy detention camps will make inmates sitting ducks. If this virus does spread throughout East Turkestan, it could leave the millions in China's concentration camps highly vulnerable to infection. The camps are filthy, have poor infrastructure, and are packed to busting with prisoners, according to testimony from former detainees. With hundreds of camps all over East Turkestan, plastic buckets are used for toilets, and rooms so small people have to take turns for sleeping. According to one former detainee, he shared a room with 45 other inmates. One former detainee said, "The food was bad, there weren't enough hours for sleep, and the hygiene was atrocious. There were almost 20 people in a room of 16 square meters. Each room had a plastic bucket for a toilet. Every prisoner was given 2 minutes daily to use the toilet, and the bucket was emptied only once a day. Not one bucket per detainee, but one bucket for every cell, which holds up to 45 people. These cramped conditions, poor hygiene, cold, stressed immune systems could result in a massive disaster never before seen in the 21st century. Make sure to spread this hashtag #VirusThreatInCamps and let the world know that the Chinese regime could use the Wu flu, the Wuhan virus, as an excuse to exterminate the millions of people currently in Chinese concentration camps. Please share Virus Threat in Camps and raise awareness of this issue before it's too late.